Hello, it's Jan again from Somerset Libraries. As it's Mental Health Awareness Week, I thought I would share with you some of the things that help to restore a feeling of calmness and well-being. In my case, it's usually going for a walk with the dogs. I just love getting out into the countryside and listening to the sounds, looking at the trees. Just restores a feeling of I don't know, it just helps enormously. I know we can't all get out into beautiful countryside like this, but I find that just getting outside, whatever the weather, any green space is very helpful. Of course, the dogs are constant companions when I'm out on these walks. They thoroughly enjoy it as well. I'm very lucky again to live in a place where I can walk out into this lovely countryside. But even if you've only got a small garden, it still helps, I think, to connect with nature on some level. I quite often just like sitting in the garden and watching the bees at work. Fascinating things, very busy. And if you really take time to look at each individual flower, they are amazing shapes and forms and colours. And of course the dogs know how to relax in the sun. Don't forget, at the libraries we do have a huge selection of books that will help you with mental health. They're all available. If you look on the Libraries West website, you may be able to get some on ebook or audio book. It'd be lovely to see everybody again when we do reopen eventually.